Plush toys are everywhere. Kids love them, adults find them adorable. Everyone seems to have a soft spot for them. But have you ever wondered how they actually made? Now you are in the right place. Hello, this is Dana. Today I'm going to take you through the whole manufacturing process to see how these cuddly creatures come to life. Basically, there are 9 steps in total, so let's check them step by step. Step 1. Order plush material from fabric mills. Normally, plush manufacturers do not produce fabrics. Instead, they buy materials from fabric mills. Before they start the mass production, they have nailed down every single detail about the toys, like their style, size, and what kind of fabric they'll use. Once they have got all that sorted, the factory figures out how much fabric they need based on how many toys they are making and places the orders. Getting all this lined up typically takes 1 week. Step 2. Fabric cutting. Once they have picked the right fabric, the cutting starts. They have already figured out the size and style of the cuts during the sample prototyping and pattern making. Currently, there are 4 main cutting methods: manual cutting, die cutting with a cold press, hot cutting, and laser cutting. The choice of the cutting method depends on a few things like how much they want to spend, the type of fabric, and how big the order is. In everyday production, laser cutting is the most commonly used method. Step 3. Pattern printing. Printing patterns directly onto fabric is a smart move for clients looking to save some cost. Instead of sewing together different pieces for things like door clothes, which can get pretty pricey due to all the manual work involved, they just print the designs right on the plush. This can cut down the cost big time. Sometimes the factory gets the printing done before they start cutting the fabric. There are mainly 3 printing methods: digital printing, screen printing, and heat transfer printing. Each method has its own perks and gets picked based on what the toys need to look like, the fabric type, and of course, the budget. Step 4. Plush embroidery. Embroidery really brings plush toys to life, adding that special touch to the look. It's a crucial step in making sure these toys catch your eye on the shelf. There are mainly 2 embroidery techniques: computer embroidery and applique embroidery. Both of these methods do more than just make the toys look good. Plus, they let manufacturers customize toys to be just the way you want, creating all kinds of unique and eye-catching plushes. Step 5. Sewing. Sewing is super crucial because it decides how good the final toy is going to look. The skill of the sewing workers plays a vital role in the quality of the toys. If a worker's sewing skills are lacking, it can lead to noticeable differences in size and quality between the finished product and the confirmed sample. Once the sewing is complete, the basic shape of the toy emerges, and the plush shell is created in this step. During this phase, care labels are also added to the toys. The information on these care labels is decided by the client, including washing instructions and material details, etc., ensuring that end users have all the necessary care information. Step 6. Stuffing the plush toy shell. Every plush toy has a little opening left for the stuffing. When they are stuffing it, the folks at the toy factory have to be really careful not to mess up the toy's shape, especially around the arms and the head. They need to get the stuffing just right, nice and even. When it comes to what's inside, most plush toys are stuffed with PP cotton and pearl cotton. Step 7. Needlework sewing and hand shaping. Once the plush toy is stuffed, the next step is to sew up the opening. It's really important for the manufacturers to make sure the stitches are even and the seam looks good. Skilled workers often use a technique called hidden stitch to make the seam less noticeable. After the sewing is done, there's still some hand shaping to do to get the toy looking just right. This might mean adjusting the stuffing around the face or cheeks to make it look perfect. Step 8. Quality inspection. Once the bulk plush toys are made, the manufacturers start the quality inspection process, which usually has 3 steps. First, The quality inspectors check each toy for holes, deformities, or any other issues. If they find any problems, these toys are sent back for repairs. Second, during production, toys can pick up loose threads and cotton fibers, so they can get cleaned up to look their best before they are shipped out. The third and final step is needle detection. The toys go through a machine that scans for any broken needles or metal bits that might have gotten inside. If the machine finds anything, it sends the toy back to be fixed. These thorough quality checks make sure all the toys are safe, clean, and up to standards needed before they reach you. Step 9. Attaching hand tags and packing the toys. After the plush toys pass the quality check, the tags are attached. The exact placement of the tags can also be adjusted to fit the client's needs. Once the tags are on, there are tons of packaging options. You can go with individual bags for each toy, bulk bags for several toys together, individual vacuum sealed packs, bulk vacuum sealed packs, or color box. Both the bags and boxes can be customized to match what the client is looking for. Alright, we have gone through the entire process of how plush toys are mass produced. I hope this video can help you understand how these cutlery frames are made. If you are in the market for plush toys, whether you need ready-made ones or custom designs, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help with all your plush toys needs and make sure you get the best quality products tailored just for you. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you.